Hi Steve, I want to thank you for sending in your samples for us to test on the clicker press. I've got your die pattern here that you want to use. I did a preliminary test with one of our clicker dies, which is a heavy metal die like this. And it cut it out, but it didn't do very well. It left a bunch of strings on there, and it took me 2 times to cut this out. So I don't think that thick blade is going to work for you. So what I'm going to do is use a steel rule blade, test die. I don't have that configuration, but I do have a large circle that we're going to try to cut for you. I'm going to lay this down on top of here. I've got my cutting board mounted to the top. I just have it clamped up here. There's also mounting holes that you can mount it to. For the purpose of the test, we're just going to clamp it, position this, we'll slide that in. See how that cuts out here. Looks like it cuts out pretty good. Nice and clean. Circle, the edges are nice and clean. You see around there, there's no strings attached. Cut out very cleanly. I think that's going to be the best way for you to cut your material on here. We're going to flip this over and do it from the opposite side this time to see how that works. Do it both ways. Slide this in. Like it's going to cut off the same on both sides. Whether you use the one side up or one side down, it's going to cut out cleanly both ways. You're going to have a nice, clean, smooth edge around it, and your part is going to come out in the good shape that you want. I'll send you this video over and we'll discuss it. Thank you, Steve.